we have witnessed one big debate about playing one political song in the educational institute, where most of the students or the people have said that it is the violation of the freedom of expression of the student. I know I won't be able
UMLA ka juwai Wailadmiki Shylla ula Kren halor ka jingtem ya ka sursan pyrthei ha ki jaka pule ka balami ru ka jingyatai ka bajur ba ka syong hok ni em bantem ya ki sursan pyrthei ha ki skul ni ki jaka pule. Uma Wailadmiki MLA ka juwai syam la kdo kerteng ya ka sur jingrwai henry ula ong ba ka ni ka sur jingrwai ka lawan ra ya ka jingklumar jingmut hapring ki khna skul. Ya kani ula ong haba Kren kum ukongsan ha ka jingai jinghikai halor ka human rights ni ka hok long brio man brio ka balapan long da ka kyang nang ba government college ha ka arpanyo tarik risau. Ha kani ka jingai jinghikai layadon lang ka kong bi giri dekhot jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Wailadmiki Shylla uway na ki muktiar bapaw harilum jaintia Professor A.K. Singh na katanat lo ka school ba nehu bat kiway. Uma Wailad haba Kren syuk ha kani ka jingyalang ula ong ba ka jingtem ya kani ka sur jingrwai san pyrthei kalawan ra ka jingkeli bat ka jingatai ka bajur. Ula ong ru ba ki khna school ki layania bat ki ong ba ka dei ka jingsyak ta ka hok jongki henry dei ban kan mau ka ka jingta ba kan wan ra ha ki sngi ki ya ban wan. Ula bu jingkeli lada u khna school uthaw ya ka jingrwai ka bakta mat yong ki wei lani ka ba penmong ye ki wei ka ka banja. Kumta ula ong ba ka dan kam ban penong ye kum kini ki jing a jing hikai ban sngo thu ya la ka jong ka hok. Uma Wailad ula penpau ba usngok men ban dan benta bat kani ka jing hikai bat ka ka ba usngok kya ka long halor ki lat pathai khobor pat ba pher kun thup ya ki WhatsApp, Facebook bat Instagram. Ula ong ba ngamut ban ong ba baro ki jingtep bangiyo ki long ki bamdei henry ki don ru ki badei. Kumta kadan kam ban penthi kena bat pen shisai kinu ki lat jingtep. Ka ka ba pun klumar ka long ba ki pat ba ki smat ban sam klem da penthi kena bat ula kentu ye ki kena school bat ki samla pule ban pule bat ban penjanai ha ki jing pule bat baro na ngi ngim sngo thu sha ya ka hok jongi kumta kadan kam ye ngi ban pule bania ban nang ban tip ya ka hok long brio man brio.
I'm very happy that I came today because I'm able to learn so many things today. So sincerely, I would like to thank the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and also the Kyangnangsba Government College for organizing this very important awareness program. I know I won't be able to contribute much, but I'm very happy to be a part of this program, and also I would like to share some of my concern, especially in today's time where there are so many universities are coming up online. That is the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, where there are so many information are coming. I'm not saying that they are all wrong, but at the same time, they are not all right. And what is the sad part is that now the people are so quick in giving the judgment. Before knowing the true fact, they tend to pass the judgment. So I would like to urge, especially the student present here today, that you please read. Please read as much as you can. Let's be frank here. Let's be frank here that most of us here, we don't know even our own right. I think that's a fact. Let's be honest. So that's why we need to know, we need to read more. And I'm very happy to learn, to know, especially from Komgiri, that Meghalaya Human Rights Commission is visiting places from time to time, and especially in Jainti Hills. And I'd like to urge them to organize such awareness program in different school and colleges in West Giant Hills or other part of the state as well. I like to say that human right is a very vast. It's very vast. And it's depend on how we interpret it. But what our concern is, what our main concern should be, that we should focus that the basic human right should be given to the citizen. And that's why from the government side, I'm very happy that recently we able to inaugurate the district session court here in West Giant Hill in Claytorshire. And like I said, I would like to urge upon again that such kind of awareness program should be organized from time to time. Because there is a big confusion which is going on among the students or the people of the state. Just recently, we have witnessed one big debate about playing one political song in the educational institute, where most of the students or the people have said that it is the violation of the freedom of expression of the student. But at the same time, we should keep in mind that if we allow today, it's not about only of this song, but what about tomorrow? If some student come up with a song with a harsh words, or maybe a satanic song, or maybe a song which means like affect the sentiment of other section of the people. So we have to think about all this. So that's why awareness is very important.